Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted my last video, but today I've got something interesting to share. So I've been playing around with my Arduino Uno 3 lately. Initially I powered it using a standard 9-volt battery, but honestly I started thinking there's got to be a better rechargeable option out there, right? And I did some digging and found my old power bank. As you can see, it has an input and output of 5 volts and 2 amperes. So that sounds perfect for the Arduino, doesn't it? So I connected the power bank to the Arduino using the USB-C cable. But the Arduino runs on 5 volts. It should have worked without any issues, right? But guess what? It didn't power on. So after some research, I discovered why. When you try to power the Arduino using the barrel jack, that's that black round socket, so it actually expects 7 to 12 volts, and Arduino then steps that voltage down internally to 5 volt using a voltage regulator, and any excess voltage basically gets converted to heat. So when I tried to power it with just 5 volts through the barrel jack, it wasn't enough to get it running. However, I then just unplugged these and connected my Arduino and my power bank with USB-C. And boom! It worked perfectly. The USB port supplies exactly 5 volts, which the Arduino needs. No extra conversion is required. So yeah, that's the lesson I learned. I'm still a total noob when it comes to this stuff. Just like I mentioned in some of my early videos, but that's the fun part, right? Learning by step, trying things out, making mistakes, getting better along the way. I've got a bunch of ideas for the future. Maybe building an automated drone, a smart garden system, or even a full smart home setup. Who knows? If you're interested in following along and learning together, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video, and goodbye.